Hi beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. We have this creative short natural hair cut for beautiful women. This hairstyle is a simple style that can really help you transition from day to night look with ease. One thing about this haircut today is that they are protective short natural hairstyles that really provide that more versatility, and you can see how the style is a haircut for the winter or the summer outdoors, and it's a style that when you rock it, you will always come out looking so great and gorgeous. This hairstyle, you can see, is a low maintenance short natural hairstyle, and it's a kind of style that can be maintained with just some natural creams and oils. Those products will not only have a positive impact on your hair's health, but also they will help you also in styling. One thing I love about those styles is that they are extremely popular among women of all ages, but for some reasons, some ladies don't think they can rock one, with this textured hair. But I want you to know that these hairstyles are benefiting particularly from varied layers. Another beautiful thing about the styles is that just because you have a closely cropped cut does not mean that you cannot experiment with your look. One thing about the styles is that you can try them with some beautiful color highlights, because when you add some kind of colors, maybe other colors on top, it will make the style pop. You can also add some patterns, maybe side part, or maybe some kind of design or pattern if you like. They will add that bit of interest on the sides or wherever you put the size. And if you really want to maintain this cut, simply just try using some cool tone and designs. It will help to keep your look so fresh. Another beautiful thing about this haircut is that it's compatible with every coily hair type, because when styling, just add some pattern of your choice or side part. It is ideal for women new to this haircut, whether it's Pixie, whether it's Tapered, or any kind of hairstyle of your choice. And trust me, when you test some kind of new hairstyles and some new patterns or new colors to your hair, you will come out looking so gorgeous. So let me just let you guys to please watch this video to the end. Please watch this video to the end. If it's your first time here in Wendy Styles, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. I want to say a big thank you to you for watching. God bless you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
It's like I'm proving myself, and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you, cause it ain't no. Cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer, cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen, so if you won't believe, if you don't believe me, I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe, if you don't believe me, I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. that I'll find someone like you that will capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go, I be say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did?
Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go, I be say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high, anywhere I just go. If you help me see it go, if you tell him I don't go, she no look me so don't bang my leg go. If you help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go, she no look me so don't bang my leg go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause this song ain't my right for you. I had to go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life anew. If you help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go, she don't love me and so.